Everybody, we have here the Hot Toys 1-to-1 Thanos Infinity Gauntlet, and we're going to unbox it. So this box is huge. The shipping weight on it was about 44 pounds. So it's by no means a small or light box. This is how it came from UPS, so there was no outer box, so there will be no mistaking what this is to the delivery person or anyone else that signs for it. Okay, so first we have some foam. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Embossed right in there. Okay. Whew. Holy smokes. So this thing is 1-to-1 life-size replica, but the thing to remember about this is it's not human size, it's Titan size. So it does not come across in the video. I saw this at New York Comic Con. It is enormous, absolutely enormous. I think I can fit my head inside the gauntlet there. So let me put this back down and start pulling this stuff out. Oh my God, does that look gorgeous. Whew. All right, stay. There we go. All right. So first thing is the stand. Okay. I'll tell you what, scoop this back. Oh, hey, it's got a little USB port right here. Interesting. Wonder if, so I thought it was battery operated. Maybe you plug this in somewhere. Yeah. There's a USB input on the back right here. So maybe we'll find out, yeah, there's an on, an off, and an on too. Because there's a solid on and then there's a breathing effect that it does. So that would be fantastic. It's not battery operated. If I can just plug it in, fantastic. Because I've got some battery operated stuff and I don't ever turn them on because it's such a hassle to replace batteries. So, man, this thing's big. Lord. Okay. All right. So this thing is heavy. And it feels like it's metal. If you can hear that. Man, it's so big. Okay. Okay, let's take off this outer plastic. You guys can see how big this is. God. I don't know how the hell I'm going to ship this to a Comic-Con. Probably going to have to get a custom Pelican case made for this. Wow. Holy shit. Whew. Okay. All right, so there's a USB port on the inside right there. So I'm guessing we hooked that up somewhere. But there it is. I mean, God. Oh, it's a nice little handhold there. Look how huge that thing is. Good Lord. Okay. Let's put this sucker on the bar. It's not quite on there. There we go. And then we have some promotional material in here. And it does include a USB cable. Okay. And it's a little folder. There's some stuff in here. That's what it looks like. Put it up. And instructions. Okay. Alright, so let's see if I can actually happen to have a power strip here with the USB port on. Let's see if I can get this close enough to light it up for you guys. Ooh. Steady on. Alright, tell you what, I'm gonna go find a place to hook this up and I'll be back. Okay, so there it is. I had planned for it to go over there, but it did not fit. Even though this is fairly deep, it would not go there. It was about half of it was still hanging off the edge of the mantle. So we improvised. And there, as we thought, there are two modes. There is a constant on, which you can see what the gems look like. Green down there for the time stone. And then if you flip the switch in the back, there we go. They breathe. All right, and there you have it. I mean, that if you want size comparison, and there's a 24-inch Captain America shield right next to it, and that's a 1-to-1 scale Ironman bust. So it's basically Thanos' gauntlet is as big from Iron Man's chest reactor up to his head, plus a little bit. But yeah, there you go.